Waiting for the snowbirds?
Yeah. Hopefully get them.
They said 2:30.
Well, he's tracking them and he said they're at Capellet right now.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, so-
Oh, they can't be wrong.
No.
Capellet.
How you doing?
All right.
So you're waiting for the snowbirds?
Yeah.
Which way do you think you're going to come in?
I don't know, but he told me he has a radar and they're supposed to be coming in from Summerside. So it should be, and they're,
is that right?
They're right near Capellet now, so that's down that way. So
Excellent.
we should see him. If
Well, today is a show in Moncton. They're doing a whole show, aerobatics and what kind of. And I tried to talk to them to doing something here. And of course, he's got
that's not.
Non, non, on va ça.